Alright everyone, quick update here. I guess it's end of day review. So I find myself, it's very difficult to focus on the markets and to make an update video during the morning. It's just, frankly, I can't do it. So wish I could. I just want to review the trades I've done. So what I'll do, I'll detach this widget, and it was small size, but that's how it looked today. So this is actually the first day of me live trading with Invar. So I just, it's real small size, so I need to disclose that. So WSA was the first trade. There we go. So first trade, I got in at 221, and I guess out at 220. Definitely been on the screens too long today. Oh my goodness. And then ASO was the next trade. Again, it's showing Eastern Standard Time here with the entry. ASO, I was pretty happy with that. 12.5. Got out at 14. Bit of a slow session. The WSA trade was not a great exit. I mean, I understand that hindsight's very valuable, but I was in at 221. I think it already wicked. So it already wicked and it stabilized, and then it shot down to about 218. And honestly, it was a bad exit, because I had the stop loss down at around 215. It did close the gap, but it just, it didn't do it. And it's just like I sort of changed the plan because I moved the stop up to 220. There was no reason for it. And I think I was in this trade, and I think I got into ASO as I was managing this trade. I'm in all these trades essentially at once, so I might have overdone it a little bit. Although the ASO trade was moved to break even, the A2M trade was moved to break even as well, and then so it was just amateur hour really. And then this ran up pretty nice. I mean, it was a pretty quiet day in regards to big movers, even with, 88E and everything like that. It was all very, for tradable stocks anyway. PLT might have done something, I think, but, I really had to focus quite a lot as well just to stay in these positions. And then A2M I was pretty happy with as well. I got in. Just 5 shares, so again, really small, but and it was a pretty tight stop. I had the stop at, got in at 806. I'll bring this chart up. Actually, let's just go through the charts as I do this. So this is ASO here. So ASO and ASO and WSA did have news out today. So it was a gold project. There was some pretty good numbers. Look, if it has a catalyst, I'll trade. I'm not holding these positions for a long time or anything. And then I was out at 14. So it actually had a pretty nice run up to start the session off with, and then it bounced off VWAP, and it bounced off, not VWAP, sorry, the 50-day simple moving average, and it sort of stabilized. And I'm like, one of the guys in chat called it out that I'm in for a prop firm development thing, and I jumped in, and I guess it got to 14.5. I tried to get the fill at 14.5. It wasn't happening. It was pretty thin in the end, so I got out at 14, and I think it closed at 13.5. So it's not too bad. And then at A2M, so this wasn't. I'll bring this up now. So if we go to like an end of day chart, you can just see it was perking up. It perked up a little bit yesterday as well. So I guess for me, I was looking to play a little bit of a contrarian type thing. There wasn't a significant catalyst. It was just opening up pretty strong, and it was holding up as well above VWAP and the simple moving average. And it just looked like it had some momentum, and the volume was there. So I got in at 806. After it pulled back a little, it shot up here, it pulled back here, it held, and I got in, and then I got out at 817. What was it? 817. So That's it. So I do like a catalyst like WSA and ASO. They had some good, I guess, that was a quarterly production numbers, and then WSA was that the gold fine. Actually, might have been the other way around. Clearly, this is unscripted as well. Yeah, the March quarter preliminary production results, and then ASO was the very favorable gold. So I mean, this is something I can review again potentially. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's the video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. I've lost where normally it's right under here, or I would pause it, but it's gone missing. So have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching.